We are back with CAA and we are talking about the importance of tires. Thank you for joining us again today, Alexander. Tell us what we need to know when it comes to summer-winter tires.
So it's important to get your summer or all-season tires on once the weather changes. They're about 7 degrees. Winter tires are actually not as safe to drive in the summer. You would think they would be good because they're soft, but they actually stop worse and they hydroplane worse. So you want to get these changed, and after you get them changed, it's important to always remember to get them retorqued.
Okay, let's talk about this retorque. We've seen a lot lately of tires flying off on the Queensway, so this will solve that problem?
It will. So you are both double checking the fact that they did it correctly, but they can also work their way a bit loose in that first week, so you're just going to retorque them.
Retorque them, okay.
At the same time, you're going to check your tire pressure. In this car, we don't have a tire pressure gauge, but when you're driving, it actually tells you all the pressures. And you're going to check the depth. And what you're going to do is you're going to use a quarter, nice Canadian quarter. You're going to put it in the tread with the nose down. And what you want to see is you want to see the nose disappear. If the nose doesn't disappear, these are getting to the end of their life, which these ones are. So you can tell. And you want to check a little bit the inside and the outside. You want to see if it's wearing differently. Because in the winter, you hit a lot of potholes. Now you're hitting a lot of potholes and cracks. The alignment can go off and it might be time to go get your car aligned.
And so would you need someone to double check to make sure that these are safe enough for the summer season?
If we do the tires for you in your driveway, we'll tell you at the same time. Any garage is going to let you know if their tires are not safe to go back in the car. They probably won't even put them back in the car if they're not safe. Or they'll warn you. The ones that are coming off next year, time to change them for sure.
This is your last season, so they give you ample warning that, hey, you're going to need new tires very shortly.
And if you do spot any alignment issues or anything, you want to take it to a shop to get it realigned. Cal Tire is our tire garage that does a lot of that work, and our members get 5% off at Cal Tire.
Amazing. And if anybody wants more information on tires, where should they go?
They can go to the Cal Tire website, and they can also go to our CAA NEO website, where we have lots of information for summer maintenance, winter maintenance, and the pit crew program for changing tires at your house.